Alrighty guys, so we've added our new training program to our calendar. We're in the gym and we're about to start filling it out. We're going to go over how we can actually enter in our data and what that might look like. So for example, we've got our warm up here, we've got our Kelso shrugs down to our lat pull down. And let's say I'm doing my Kelso shrugs and I want to enter in the data. Right, so I've clicked on the exercise. I'm going to come down and let's say instead of 15 reps, I wasn't really feeling it and I was only did 10. Right, so we're going to click on 10 for both our reps, and then that is going to lock it in. One thing to remember is as soon as we change something, we're going to have to click a little tick down here to actually lock it in and save it. If you just try and enter in everything, it's only going to save the first one and not everything. We want to make sure that we're saving all that data. Here we want to add in what weight or what load we did. So let's say I did a 20 kilo dumbbell. I click the little tick. I did 20 here. And then this middle one here is going to be rep and reserve. So let's say it's a warm up. So let's say I had about 4 reps in the tank, 4 reps left I could have done. So basically meaning it's pretty easy. As you can see right underneath it says light intensity. And that's what that's what I want for our warm up. If I was to add a video in for this exercise, you can see these little 3 dots next to the tick. I could be clicking that. I could be adding in a video. So just click on that and I can submit a video. Or I could even be adding a comment. So maybe I only got 10 reps and I could tell my coach, just not feeling it today, right? I can click save comment. And then that's going to go in there as a saved comment, and then the coach is going to be able to see that on his side as well. I can do that for both, so I can add in a video for this one, I can add a comment, or I can do both on both of those sets as well. And in terms of filling out, that is all we need to know in terms of filling out our program. Obviously, we come down, we fill out each of these exercises, make sure we're doing that to the best of our ability. And then once we've finished all those exercises, we can come down to the very bottom and we can swipe to complete workout. Let's say we go, yes, I've completed everything. So they're going to ask you how hard this workout was. Let's say it was very difficult at the end. It was a 9. We click save. And then it's just going to give us a little bit of a rundown of exactly what we've done, right? So 7 exercises, 18 sets. We did 169 reps. We lifted about 3,000 total volume for the workout. And it gives it highlights kind of what muscles were being actively used in that session as well. Great to see. We can kind of look at some different personal records that we might have had, also some different training metrics throughout that training session as well. Distribution between strength movements and then our hypertrophy movements as well. And that is how we enter our data into our training program.